Keto substitutions, how to replace your favorite foods. Did you know that just one medium banana has 27 grams of carbs? That's almost a full day's worth on keto. And that healthy granola bar, sneaky 30 grams hiding in there. Even seemingly healthy foods like a cup of oatmeal can contain over 30 grams of carbs. If you're on a keto diet, those numbers can quickly kick you out of ketosis. But don't worry, today I'm going to share some delicious keto-friendly substitutions so you can still enjoy your favorite meals without the carb overload. Sticking to keto doesn't mean giving up flavor. With the right substitutions, you can turn high-carb disasters into low-carb victories. Let's talk about the best keto swaps that'll keep you on track, without the FOMO. We've all been there, that moment when a craving hits, and suddenly that slice of pizza or bowl of pasta feels impossible to resist. But here's the truth, most cheat meals aren't about hunger, they're about habit. And the good news, you can hack those cravings with keto-friendly tricks. Cauliflower rice instead of white rice, classic. But have you tried zucchini lasagna sheets or cloud bread for sandwiches? And for that sweet tooth, whipped avocado with cocoa tastes like chocolate mousse. The key, getting creative with ingredients that work for you. Let's talk about some simple and satisfying keto swaps that make sticking to your diet a breeze. Chicken crust pizza. Yes, shredded chicken, cheese, and egg become a crispy, protein-packed crust. Top it like regular pizza and boom, zero guilt, all flavor. Who needs flour when you've got this? Swap potato fries for zucchini or turnip fries. You'll get that crispy, salty bite you love, but with way fewer carbs. Just slice, season, and air fry for a perfect low-carb snack. Replace pasta with palmini or shirataki noodles. These plant-based noodles have only 2 to 3 grams of carbs per serving. They're perfect for making keto-friendly pasta dishes like creamy Alfredo or bolognese. Low-carb pizza crust with almond flour or cauliflower. You won't miss traditional pizza when you use a cheesy, golden cauliflower crust. Load it up with toppings and you're good to go. Ditch bread for cloud bread or chaffles. Light, fluffy, and practically carb-free, cloud bread makes the perfect sandwich base. Or try chaffles, cheese and egg waffles that are crispy and savory. Alright, here's the real game-changer keto mashed potatoes, but made with cauliflower, broccoli sparkles. I know, it sounds too good to be true. But trust me, with a little butter, garlic, and heavy cream, cauliflower mash tastes incredibly close to the real thing. See, going keto doesn't mean giving up your favorite dishes, it just means getting creative with substitutions. There are tons of ways to enjoy delicious, satisfying meals while keeping it low-carb. Cauliflower for rice or mash, zucchini for pasta or fries, avocado for mousse, and chicken for pizza crust. Keto isn't about restriction, it's about reinvention. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite keto swap? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready for more hacks, hit subscribe. We've got a ton of keto magic coming your way. Thanks for watching and keep crushing your keto journey.